Usambut Menteri Rang Ba, uba senyo walang dhar. Ula ong baka Jylla kalapan kare na kabenta ka wad ïakren halor upur usam bat ka Assam, haka bayadai bat ka Block 1. Bat ya menta ke Jylla kadang up ya ka Sarkar Assam, bantau thammai ya ka Regional Committee, kenang ban penyat cakamat ya ka ïakren. Uba adhar, uba deiru chairman ka Regional Committee, na kabenta ki ya ka Japut, ha West Janja Hills, ula ong batang mariadep ka Sarkar Assam, bantung ya chairman ka Regional Committee jongka, ki regional na baro Jylla kin sa pynbeit ya ka ya ka lang. Halor kishnong ki bahab ha ka Block 1, bat ka penpai biang sa Meghalaya, uba adhar ula ong, ba anda dep pynbeit biang ya ka kaipot, ning kong undan ka ya kando, hapo ka Jylla bat hadian kata, baro atali ki Regional Committee ka Assam, bat Meghalaya kin ya kando lang halor kaniya.
Waiting for the Assam to give us officially who's the chairman from their part. As soon as they appoint the chairman of the regional committee, I think we will meet. Officially, we have not received it. We are ready because the report we have to put the state. No, cannot say difficult since the area of difference always is an area of discussion always. So we will see. We are giving all this subject to the committee, both the state government. So that's why is the committee is authority to take a call on the issues and border issues. Work we should done from our part, we have done. The officer has almost completed, and when they complete all the report, we will sit first between the state, and then we will inform the Assam when they form the committee. So we will sit both the committee and we will take a call.